उनका जो देश के लिए पैशन है ना वो दिखता है. Like there is an emotion he carries for India.
New generation actor you look up to?
Alia Bhatt. I mean, she's definitely, because she's really talented. She also has that cute, endearing face where she could look ordinary, she could look a character, or she could look beautiful. Ravi Sargun. हम रोज नहीं मिलते हैं, हम महीनों महीने बात नहीं करते हैं, हम शायद इवेंट्स पे मिले या And I remember going up to Salman Khan and ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं हमारे पास. We were not shooting a lot and he was also वो अपने process में थे. But I wanted to meet him. जो बोलते हैं लोग इंडस्ट्री में ना large hearted हैं, he has very, it is true. मैंने तो बात भी नहीं की, फिर भी मुझे पता था कि वो अपने से ज्यादा दूसरों के बारे में सोचते हैं. I love रानी मुखर्जी. मैं उनको मिली थी. I remember Tiger 3 पे, तो मैंने उनको बोला भी था. I went up to her and I was like, please do the kind of films you used to do, like romance, and I want to see you like that. अब मैं सुन रही हूँ at least saying जवान 2 बनाएंगे, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि I wish they go into a prequel and then my characters there as a young Kaveri. I was very impressed कि such a big star, I mean, a global star and my favorite. So, like for him to be like, treat me like a co-actor. Because Atlee was explaining to me and फिर जब Atlee चले जाते थे तो शाहरुख मुझे बताते थे, देख उसने ये बोला है ना, तो he would write. I'm just like मैं focus करूँ कि मैं बस खो जाऊँ.
रितेश देशमुख.
Ritesh Deshmukh, #Janelia's husband, because they are so cute together.
So true.
नंदे आप रितेश का नाम मतलब आप लेते हैं तो दिमाग में Janelia आती है.
Hello, namaste. मैं हूँ पूजा नवाथे and welcome to WhatsApp Celebrity. And today we have Ridhi Dogra in the house. Hello, what's up?
Hi, what's up?
एकदम vibe, एकदम मस्त लग रही है, एकदम chill vibe में हो.
Today I'm wearing all my clothes.
All
Nobody
your
has
clothes.
styled me. I've styled myself.
But
that's why I'm vibing.
Oh my God. But celebrities को generally सोर्स होते हैं कपड़े, मेकअप, स्टाइलिस्ट, कैसे होता है? लाइक हाउ डज दिस प्रोसेस गेट फॉलोड? बिकॉज आजकल एयरपोर्ट स्पॉटिंग हो रही है, आप किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में जाओ, कैफे में जाओ, स्पॉटिंग हो रही है. तो इज देयर एडेड ऑन प्रेशर कि भाई अच्छा दिखना है, कपड़े सोर्स करने हैं स्टाइलिस्ट से?
You know that pressure, if you want to take, you can take. I don't take that pressure. Like, I'm not interested. मैं ले सकती हूँ वो pressure, but मैं लेती नहीं हूँ. Like, if now this is not looking good and I will realize कि oh shit नहीं अच्छा लग रहा था, I won't care. I'll move on.
Comfort is more important than.
But you want to know how styling works? You want to like.
Yeah, tell me. मतलब कैसे?
You want to know how you can do it?
Yeah, I mean, you can give me tips.
Like not tips, but like.
But also, actually, I want to know क्योंकि general public को पता नहीं है, जब actors अच्छे कपड़े पहनकर एयरपोर्ट पे जाते हैं या किसी भी अवार्ड्स फंक्शन पे जाते हैं, तब उनको पता नहीं होता है कि ये सोर्स्ड होते हैं. जनरली कई दफा पूछते हैं कि ये कहाँ से खरीदा होगा, कहाँ से आया होगा, तो ये कैसे कोलैबोरेशन होता है उसके बारे में?
I think ये सबका ही होता है ना, like everyone's benefiting from each other. Stylists benefit करते हैं celebrities से, celebrities को outfit मिलती है जो वो change करते रहते हैं. And I feel ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है because like this you're not, like we are not spending huge amounts of money on an outfit जो हम सिर्फ एक बार पहनेंगे. So it's like a huge waste of resources, of clothes, of fabric and बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which will not make sense अगर ये मॉडल नहीं होता. तो ये मॉडल सबको बेनिफिट करता है, फोटोग्राफर्स को, स्टूडियो सेटअप्स को जहाँ पे लोग फोटोज खिंचवाते हैं, and then paps, they love to cover you in different clothes. So I think, and of course designers and stylists and actors, makeup, hair, so it's a whole industry जो इससे बेनिफिट करती है. PR टीम.
Yes. और आपके अगर फॉलोवर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं तो कोलैबोरेशन में निपट जाता है. लेकिन अदरवाइज अगर आपको पर्सनली फोटोशूट करवाना है, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को ऑन बोर्ड लेना है, तो उसका कितना खर्चा आता है?
डिपेंड करता है. I mean now I think बहुत अलग है टाइम, because now you have a phone. हमारे फोन्स इतने अच्छे कैमरास हैं, and like I feel like अगर you don't have money to spend on a team, it's not very difficult. Because हम सब ने भी तो I've also started somewhere, right? So I didn't have teams at that time. For the longest time आप build करते हो कि what I can do with myself, how I want to present myself. So it's like you're building yourself. And उसमें भी अपना एक मजा है. फिर जब आप build कर लेते हो, then you're like, now is anyone interested in collaborating? Okay, great, let us collaborate. So it's like a whole process, I think, of time and अलग
So
अलग टाइम
true.
पे अलग अलग चीजें होती है.
आप
बट
believe-
कितना खर्चा हो जाएगा, आई थिंक इट
Hmm.
कुड बी एनीवेयर बिटवीन, आई डोंट नो, like between 10 to 1 lakh depending on your photographer, who you hire, और हो सकता है चाहे कोई दोस्ती बोले मेरा कैमरा बहुत अच्छा है मेरे फोन पे, I'll click your pictures but pay me.
अब क्या है, ऐसे दोस्त जो एक पर्टिकुलर दोस्त होता है हर एक ग्रुप में जो ना बहुत अच्छे फोटोज क्लिक करता है,
Yes,
करती है.
कहाँ है वो लोग? मैं हूँ, आई थिंक आई एम दैट पर्सन. मेरी कोई फोटोज अच्छी नहीं खींचता.
कोई नहीं. आप मतलब आप वो दोस्त हो जो दूसरों के
I want to
फोटोज.
tell people,
हाँ.
like, if you ever notice, if आप मेरा Instagram पेज
हाँ.
देखोगे, आपको दिखेगा कि मैं अपनी रेगुलर लाइफ में ज्यादा
हाँ.
फोटोज खींचती नहीं हूँ.
हम्म.
तो ऑफ कोर्स खुद तो खींच नहीं सकते अनलेस you're an influencer, तो आपको
True.
आदत है कि कैमरा यहाँ प्लेस करना और ये वो, तो आई डोंट हैव दैट.
हम्म.
बट I really, like, my friends are more interested in me clicking their pictures, and I am a good photographer.
इसीलिए तभी तो
Not
मैंने
so bad, but I'm not so good also. But yeah.
बट वही ना, ग्रुप में आप वो दोस्त हो जो दूसरों की फोटोज क्लिक करती है.
Because मुझे चाहिए ना. I know how it feels. So I'm always clicking pictures. कि you will get candid moments because I love those candid
Right.
shots, और मैं देखती हूँ there are some people who have, उनकी लाइफ में होते हैं वो लोग जो उनकी candid shots लेते हैं. कौन है ये लोग? कौन है ये दोस्त जो इतना टाइम निकाल के दूसरे लोगों की candid shots लेते हैं? मेरा तो आज तक किसी ने नहीं लिया. In fact, no, it's not a sad thing. It's a funny thing only. In fact, on set, abhi I was shooting for something, so I actually had to, because I wanted, we were shooting in like beautiful locations.
Okay.
तो मुझे photos चाहिए थी, not something जो आप shoot कर रहे हो आप वो
हाँ.
तो डाल नहीं सकते हो, because
बिल्कुल.
when project आएगा तभी आएगा. But behind the scene, you're walking, you're going from one place to another. You want those pictures,
Yeah,
कोई तो खींच ले. So I actually put my makeup and hair, both of them, on this thing that I mean, it was very Miranda Priestley of me. But I actually went like, I'll see who clicks better BTS, then you'll stay in my team.
What?
And उन्होंने पूरे एक दिन शिद्दत से मेरी फोटोज खींची. उसके बाद they were like, रिद्धि नहीं हो रहा. And I'm like, it's okay, I didn't mean it either.
They'll be like, listen, we give up.
Yeah, I mean, one of them has a really good camera. Like, even if she just keeps her eyes closed and clicks a picture, बहुत अच्छी आएगी.
क्या बात
So
है.
yeah, कभी कभी वो भी काफी होता है.
दोस्तों की बात हो रही है, आपकी इंडस्ट्री में भी बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और स्कूल फ्रेंड्स भी हैं, अभी भी आप उनसे जुड़े हो?
बिल्कुल है. स्कूल फ्रेंड्स हैं, और स्कूल फ्रेंड्स बहुत खुश हूँ मैं कि सब दुनिया के अलग अलग कोने में हैं. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ हॉलीडे डेस्टिनेशंस टू गो. कोई एक कनाडा में है, एक लंदन में है, एक स्विट्जरलैंड में है. सो इट्स नाइस. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, आई मीन नॉट माय फ्रेंड बट माय ब्रदर, माय कजिन ब्रदर इज देयर. सो ये सारी दीज आर ऑल ऑन माय बकेट लिस्ट.
बट बचपन के दोस्तों की खासियत क्या होती है? आप कितने भी बड़े बन जाओ ना, वो आपको आपकी मासूमियत जो होती है ना आपके अंदर, उसको टैप इन करता है. तो आप तो सेलिब्रिटी हो, तो आपके बचपन के दोस्त आपको कैसे ग्राउंडेड रखने में मदद करते हैं?
आई मीन, आई एम टेलिंग यू, अभी मैं कहीं शूट पे गई थी. तो मैं वापस आई वहां से, एंड मेरी फ्रेंड जो कनाडा में रहती है, शी केम आफ्टर मेनी इयर्स बैक टू इंडिया.
ओके.
और आई थिंक मैं दिन में आई थी शायद वापस आफ्टर अ 1 month शूट. और आई वाज वेरी टायर्ड, आई वाज वेरी एग्जॉस्टेड. चेहरे पे ही दिख रहा होगा दैट आई एम वेरी वेरी, एक होता है ना, आपने इतनी एनर्जी लगाई 1 महीना, उसके बाद यू नीड टू टेक अ यू नीड टू रिलैक्स. सो वो मुझसे मिलते ही, शी डिडंट नो मेरा क्या चल रहा है. मिलते ही शी इज लाइक, तू कितनी थकी हुई है, and few other things she said, and she gave me a hug, and I was like, I didn't even talk to her. कुछ बात भी नहीं हुई, because she is busy, she's got a family, she's got a child. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बहुत बातें करते हैं तो उसको आइडिया था कि क्या चल रहा है. She had no idea. But even then, when she met me, and she's my friend since I think class 4th.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So
लॉन्ग फ्रेंडशिप.
so long.
सो
Yeah,
लॉन्ग.
yeah.
क्या बात है. और अगर इंडस्ट्री के दोस्त है तो
मैं निकाल देती हूँ. चलो,
ठीक है. अब
ठीक लग रही हूँ.
विद कैप विदाउट कैप आप दोनों में ही अच्छी लग रहे हो.
Okay,
वाइब है.
awesome.
तो विद इन द इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो यू हैव बंच ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. अब इंडस्ट्री में चीजें जब होती है और इंडस्ट्री के दोस्त होते हैं, जैसे मेरे भी जर्नलिस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, इट्स वेरी
Right.
इजी टू कन्वे
Yeah.
थिंग्स टू देम, दे विल
Absolutely.
अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, व्हाट योर
Yeah.
स्ट्रगल्स
Yeah.
आर.
Yeah.
तो कौन कौन है आपकी इंडस्ट्री के दोस्त, और कौन हमेशा आपके साथ, हु इज दैट 2 AM friend from the industry that you have?
2 AM friend from the industry. You know, I'm not a very 2 AM. मैं 2 बजे रात को किसी को डिस्टर्ब करने वाली हूँ नहीं. So I don't really call anybody. Like मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं आएगा. Although I'm sure there are lots of people. If I call them, they will be there for me. But I don't do that. 2 AM friend. तो मैं बोल नहीं सकती ऐसे कि मैं, because I don't have that mindset कि
Okay.
I can just call somebody. I'm one of those जो अपनी problem खुद solve करती है. I'm a full on solutions person. आपके पास प्रॉब्लम है, आप मेरे पास आओ. I will give you 5 solutions.
Oh my God, that's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, that's
But
right.
who are your friends?
But who are my friends? Okay, so there are many. I think, you know, I mean, Karan मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है, Wahi, because he used to live in मेरे घर के सामने वो रहता था.
Oh.
So he was also my neighbor. And हमने पूरा लॉकडाउन के वो जो बड़ा ही स्ट्रेसफुल था, हमने साथ में निकाला है. वो मैं और मेरी, you know, on this side of my house was a single mother. So 3 of us, and then there's Chang, वो भी मेरी बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं. That's how I remember. There's Shruti Pathak, who's a singer. आशा नेगी, जो तो सब जानते हैं. ऋत्विक. So these are people, you know, I think I've grown with them. Ravi Sargun. हम रोज नहीं मिलते हैं, हम महीनों महीने बात नहीं करते हैं. हम शायद इवेंट्स पे मिले या you know एक दूसरे को बर्थडेज पे इनवाइट करते हैं, या कुछ ये दिवाली होती है या गणपति. But we are always like, I'm very fond of all these people, and I would say in some way कि I'll always be there for them. You know, I feel like always supporting them, and I'm very proud of वो जो भी कुछ कर रहे हैं लाइफ में, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. तो उनको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होगी मुझे कि you know, if you like what I'm doing, support me. I'll support them. So that's because I have great memories, and I think उन लोगों ने भी मुझे उस टाइम पे देखा था when I was still becoming something, you know. Although they are recent friends, but yeah. And then there's Barun, Pashmeen. They're actually like family because they're my brothers. I mean, Barun and my brother are really close. They're almost like family. So yeah, he and Pashmeen and Sifat and Amir, I consider them as family.
Family. And एकता कपूर जी के साथ भी
Ekta
आप
also.
बहुत close
Ekta's best friend Tanu, I'm very fond of. I'm genuinely fond of her. So yeah, them too. Correct.
क्या बात है. Talking about the Sabarmati report, firstly I want to congratulate you for the performance that you pulled off. I really liked it, and being a journalist, I must say, wow, you nailed it.
Really?
Yeah, you did.
I
You
like
did.
this.
I loved your performance in the film. So recently the screening happened in front of our PM, Narendra Modi ji.
Can't imagine. That was, I still like, it's too much, na? कोई सोचता भी नहीं है. Like somebody had asked me for an interview कि you know, is it a career tick? And I'm like, ये तो career tick में होता भी नहीं है. You know, in list of things that you think of doing, this is not even there. This is such a, like, it's like आप dream करते रहो and your dreams become bigger. You know, bigger things come to you. So yeah, it's fantastic. I mean, इससे बड़ा ऑनर ही कोई नहीं है. So
बिल्कुल.
बड़ी अमेजिंग चीज हुई है, तो बहुत ज्यादा.
मोदी जी से मिलने के लिए हर कोई उत्साहित होता है, बट यू गॉट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. कुछ बातें हुई उनसे, कैसी थी मुलाकात वो?
बहुत अच्छी मुलाकात थी. एक्चुअली प्रोटोकॉल की वजह से हमें पहले बताया गया था कैसे मिलना है, क्या करना है, हाउ टू ग्रीट हिम. यू नो, आई रिमेम्बर आई डोंट नो, किसी ने ये बोला तो नहीं कि आप ये बता नहीं सकते, पर यू नो उनकी टीम ने हमें बोला कि देखो, लाइक इन जनरली हमें सबको बोला कि सम पीपल बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं तो दे गो टू हग हिम और दे गो टू टच हिज फीट. कोई भी सडन मूवमेंट मत करना, क्योंकि उनकी जो टीम है सिक्योरिटी की, उनका प्रोटोकॉल है, दे विल पाउंस ऑन यू. So true. which is fantastic. So I remember जब वो बात कर रहे थे ना, तो ऐसी पोजीशनिंग बनी, he came to talk to जितेंद्र जी, और मैं वहीं खड़ी थी, तो I was like next to him, and I'm like, should I even breathe? What should I do? Should I move away? So it was, you know, it was a very very out of the world experience. बहुत अच्छा था to see him so up close. And उनका जो देश के लिए पैशन है ना, वो दिखता है. Like it's there is an emotion he carries for India, and he doesn't have to speak much.
True.
लेकिन आपको वो like you'll feel it in his energy, in his vibrations. You
बिल्कुल।
feel that you know, he's really, I mean, we are very, very blessed, I feel, because मैं
Definitely.
मिली उनसे तब मुझे समझ में आया
आपने
और
कुछ
ज़्यादा।
कहा उनसे?
मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा। Although I had, you know, सोचा था क्या कहूँगी, but हमें ये भी बोला था कि he will only give us 2 minutes. We'll click a picture and that's it. Like, but he gave us a longer time. उन्होंने हमें बहुत टाइम दिया, कुछ 20-25 मिनट वो हमारे साथ थे।
और मूवी रिलेटेड उन्होंने क्या रिव्यू दिया, क्या फीडबैक दिया?
उन्होंने अपने आई थिंक दिल की बात बताई, और उन्होंने बताया कि मतलब ऐसी यू नो फिल्में जो हमारी कंट्री, लाइक एवरीबडी, हम सब यही चाहते हैं जो उन्होंने भी ये किया। आई डोंट वांट टू sort of give a statement on behalf of honorable prime minister, so I don't want to say what he said to us in person, but I would say that ये जो journalistic point of view से फिल्में है ना, ये इंडिया में बननी चाहिए। एक मीडिया सेंट्रिक, एक व्यू पॉइंट, क्योंकि आज जमाना इतना लाइक इट्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ टू मच इन्फॉर्मेशन। सो जब आपके पास इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन है ना, तो आपको लाइक ऑडियंस को पता होना चाहिए कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसे प्रोसेस होती है, किस तरीके से लोग काम करते हैं, कैसे हम तक पहुंचती है, सो दैट because you anyway have too much information. आप anyway, you know, you're making up your mind about what you think, what you don't think. Opinion सबके पास है. Phones are readily available, so we all are like giving our opinion. So we should be well informed, na?
Absolutely.
That's why I think ये journalistic films, I was very excited to do it. I was very excited जब, you know, इतनी successful हुई. Of course, you know, Mr. Prime Minister का tweet was सोने पे सुहागा. You don't expect it.
Totally.
But yeah, so I think something like that. And then he was talking about his tenure, and he did mention कि PM बनने के बाद ये उनकी शायद दूसरी फिल्म है जो, या पहली फिल्म है जो उन्होंने देखी है थिएटर में. So we were
That's
just
huge.
huge, like
Wow.
that's massive. Yeah.
So happy for you, Ridhi.
Thank you.
At the same time, you know, when this film was out, there were mixed reviews. How do you deal with the trollers and people who give you mixed signals at times? You know, it can affect you mentally as well. Does it take a mental toll on you?
External चीजें toll नहीं लेती हैं, like what people say, what audience says. Not for my work, because I feel I have that division. I separate my life, myself from my work.
Wow.
And also I think I'm not working alone, so वो पूरा burden of responsibility is not on me. I think if I ever produce anything, then yes, you know, then I guess trolls and criticism and box office, all that will matter to me.
Right.
If I direct or produce.
Correct.
Or even, you know, if I write something that I back, yeah, which I am, like wo chal hi raha hai mera sara kaam. But as of now, as an actor, no, you don't take it. You have to move on, and you have to look at the good. And it's always, you know, trollers हमेशा कम होते हैं. पर वो of course वही है कि हम याद वो रखते हैं. We just remember negative comments.
True.
Like even if today I compliment you on the color of, and I say, you know, it's bringing out your eyes, you will remember someone who said something else. You'll forget what I said.
But that is so true.
That is all of
अगर
us.
100 अच्छे comments हो, उसमें से एक भी खराब ट्रोलर ने कुछ लिखा हो, तो constantly वही टाइम बॉम्ब की तरह याद रहेगा दिन भर में.
तो बस वही है, that वो awareness होनी, like I try and keep that awareness कि let's not focus on the negative, focus on the positive.
As an artist, do you like quickly move on with the project that happened in the past, may it be success or failure, or you stick by, like अगर past में कुछ हुआ है, you stay in the past, or you are a person who believes to just move on?
No, I move on. I think I move on pretty fast. I'm not I don't attach myself to the result. I think और वो इसलिए मैं कर पाती हूँ because I give my 200% when what you like, if when what you require from me is happening, which is acting.
True.
So उस time पे मैं lazy नहीं होती, या उस time पे I'll not, you know, be half-hearted. I'll give my, like if I can give 100%, I will try giving 200%.
Wow.
Then you don't really, it doesn't matter, you know, फिर result matter नहीं करता. या पता नहीं, मैंने अपनी psychology ऐसी बना ली है शुरू से, that I don't attach myself to result. I
Okay.
attach myself to the process.
Yeah, but personally also, are you like that with any sort of experiences? You hold on to past or you just move on?
No, I move on. I move on, but I don't move on just like that. I learn my lessons. So that is for sure.
Of
मतलब
course.
मैं कभी भी ऐसे नहीं कहूँगी oh this didn't work out, इसमें इसकी problem थी, इसकी गलती थी. I'm not that person. I'll never look at you and say you made this mistake. चल, you know, वो भी होता है ना कि
वो forgive forget वाला भी है ना. So are you a person who forgives and forgets, or you choose
I
one?
forgive, but I never forget.
You never forget what has happened, but you forgive like easily.
I forgive. I have to be
You are a
easy.
forgiver.
I have to be easy. Like no, I want to look good. You know, I mean, we all know now Shalini has made it so popular that I don't
Yeah.
hold grudges because it affects my skin. Exactly. Same. I have done the same thing since very young age. Because ना मैंने बहुत young age में देखा था जो sometimes some older people, you know, not me, not like कुछ आप लोगों को देखते हो who if they are worried they'll be like
वो चेहरे पे आ
वो घर
जाता
के
है.
कोने में बैठी रहती है, you know, या आप किसी की फैमिली में जाओ तो somebody is very cranky and you can see it on their face.
True.
Because they're older. So I remember being, or you know, like this is ये बहुत अलग चीज है, but मैं बेलग्रेड में थी, ईस्ट यूरोप, और वहाँ बहुत ठंड होती है.
Okay.
तो वहाँ बहुत सारे ओल्ड लोग मैंने देखे जो झुके हुए थे. वो इसलिए झुके हुए थे बिकॉज वहाँ ठंड बहुत होती है, सो एवरीवन's cooped up. But that is what happens. अगर आप, I'm not saying, I'm not, you know, that is a different thing, वो climate है, but आप जिस तरीके से सोचोगे, जो अपने अंदर रखोगे ना, वो फिजिकली दिखता है. So I have always tried, like even if I feel angry, I will get angry and I'm over it.
Wow.
I don't carry it. Like if I feel something you've said to me is not nice, yes, for 2 minutes you will feel like, my God, she's really angry. But the third minute, maybe I'll apologize to you. Maybe I'll say, I'm sorry, I spoke that way. But you know, what I said is what I meant. You know, so वो कभी नहीं होता.
You don't, basically you don't believe in keeping grudges,
I don't.
but moving on.
Yeah, but I don't forget. Lessons तो सीखने हैं ना.
बट ऐसे ही होना चाहिए ना. अगर आप भूल जाओगे तो दूसरा इंसान भी आपको आके उसी तरह ट्रीट करेगा and you'll be okay with it.
Yeah.
Accountability is also a thing.
Yes.
And I think when you don't forget, you take the accountability of nobody is going to treat me the way they have treated in the past.
That's exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So let's move on to the segments part. So the first one is Untold Tales. So basically, I'm going to mention few of your projects, and you have to tell me one untold tale that you have never spoken to or revealed about.
Chalo, let's try.
Okay. So the first one is Tiger 3.
Tiger 3 का something untold.
Yeah.
Like what? I have so many things. No,
But
nobody knows anything. So मैं तो कुछ भी बता सकती हूँ.
बता दो कुछ अच्छी वाली मेमोरी बता दो.
सबसे अच्छी मेमोरी उसकी ये है कि so Tiger 3 I shot, and right after Tiger 3 I was, as luck would, you know, coincidence या luck would have it, I went to Vienna. ओके, वहाँ पे टाइगर 3 की थोड़ी सी मेरी शूट थी. उसके बाद मुझे ईस्ट यूरोप, मतलब मुझे बेलग्रेड जाना था फॉर बदतमीज दिल. सो आई वाज देयर फॉर अ मंथ. एंड आई रीच्ड वियना ऑन द डे ऑफ माय बर्थडे, shooting for Yash Raj, you know, Yash Raj production. You reach there on your birthday. It was very, very surreal. And the funniest thing was that मैंने वहाँ पे सिर्फ, like, अगर आप मूवी देखेंगे, although it's a very small part, so it's not like, but in the movie there is a scene where after the whole, you know, my interaction, I don't want to say किसी ने अगर नहीं देखी in case तो मैं क्यों बता दूँ, but there's a whole interaction with Salman Khan, and मतलब there's a shootout basically, and he kills me, मतलब kills my character, and there is a scene, a shot where मतलब वो after he kills me मुझे stretcher पे ले जाया जा रहा है. That was the only thing I shot in Vienna.
Wow.
And I remember going up to Salman Khan, and you know, ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं हमारे पास. We were not shooting a lot, and he was also, you know, वो अपने process में थे. But I wanted to meet him. Of course. You know, so I went up to him and I told him hi. He said hello. I said I'm the dead body. And I I got a laugh from him. Like, I got a laugh and I was very happy.
So did I wish you on your birthday? Did you tell him it's my
No,
birthday?
मेरा birthday हो गया
हो
था.
गया था
But the
पहले.
team, you know, like
Okay.
Manish and they were like, they're like, it was your birthday
Wow.
and we've killed you.
And Salman gave that smile to you and that
He
dead
gave me a
body.
smile. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I said hi and the dead body that you just killed.
And then what was the conversation that went
No,
ahead?
I didn't really converse with him because
Okay.
I think वो preoccupied थे. He was
Okay.
thinking about something related to shoot only.
Okay.
But I did, because I know he was preoccupied, shoot
Right.
के बारे में सोच रहे थे. That's one thing I saw in him, and you know that he really thinks fathers. You know, जो बोलते हैं लोग industry में ना, large hearted हैं. He has a very, it is true. It's very very true. I तो was on the periphery. I was not even in his. मैंने तो बात भी नहीं की. फिर भी मुझे पता था कि वो अपने से ज्यादा दूसरों के बारे में सोचते हैं.
क्या बात है.
Yeah, it's true.
And the next one is जवान. मतलब सलमान खान के साथ you shared screen space.
Yeah.
And then it was the Shahrukh Khan. Woohoo!
अब इसका क्या बताऊं यार? There's nothing I've not said. What can I tell you? Give me a hint. What would you like to know?
Something that you haven't spoken to anyone or shared. Maybe, you know, a lot of people talk about SRK, the way he is, the way he makes you feel special, the warmth he shares. We all know about it. But how is he behind the camera before the, you know,
like
roll camera action happens? Is he into his character? What is he like before the take?
He is very diligent. तो वो मुझे मतलब उनमें वो क्वालिटीज दिखी जो एक थिएटर एक्टर में होती हैं. लाइक ऑन सेट आप उनको देख के मतलब ऑफ कोर्स हमें पता है वो शाहरुख खान है, बट वो जिस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं, ही इज अ वेरी डिलिजेंट, हार्ड वर्किंग, लाइक स्टूडेंट, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ स्टूडेंट, यू नो. तो you like he'll never make you feel big or small, you know. Like I remember एक sequence हम shoot कर रहे थे. I mean amongst many other, ये मैंने नहीं बताया शायद. तो it was a long sequence, you know, कैमरा बहुत ऊपर लगा था. वो मूवी में भी है where again, oh my god, both my stories have stretchers and dead body. But उसमें भी Priya Mani was coming on a stretcher and वो बहुत लंबा you know कैमरा work था. तो by the time the camera has to come down, we all have to go to the stretcher and we all have to try and fix, like उसको ठीक करना है. तो इसमें I remember मतलब now he doesn't need to like, but जब ये हो रहा था ना कैमरा वर्क, तो उन्होंने मुझे याद है मुझे बोला, मतलब वो मेरे साथ खड़े थे, तो उन्होंने like रिहर्सल किया और रिहर्सल में ना वो मेरे पास आया और उन्होंने कुछ बोला मुझे and he went away and then कट हुआ कि अच्छा ठीक है, नाउ वी अंडरस्टूड क्या पोजीशनिंग है, ये वो, वील गो फॉर अ टेक. सो ही केम अप टू मी, ही इज लाइक सॉरी यार, पर आई विल कम टू यू एंड आई विल ब्लैबर समथिंग. थोड़ा रिलेशन दिखना चाहिए ना माँ बेटी का. सो इट वाज वेरी लाइक, एंड ही लिटरली केम टू मी लाइक हम ये सब लाइक वी डू दीस थिंग्स, यू नो, लाइक ही केम टू मी लाइक we do this because it's a very wide shot and you're just going to see two characters. Like, you know what I'm saying? But
this is a little detailing that
matters. Yes. And yeah, exactly. So वो मुझे बहुत, and honestly मैं थोड़ी like, it's not like it was easy for me to play the 60-year-old. It was not easy for me. बहुत difficult था because मैं एक तो 60-year-old. So even if I try and work my head around, then this Shahrukh as my son, which is just not going to happen. Was very difficult. So every time he would only say that I'll do this, and I would, you know, be very. I was very impressed. Ki such a big star. I mean, a global star and my favorite. So like for him to be like, treat me like a co-actor. And then, you know, like take, जब हुआ तो, और इवन लाइक हमारा पहला दिन था शूट का, तो वो मुझे हेल्प कर रहे थे. स्पीक योर लाइन्स लाइक दिस, तू ऐसे बोल, एटली को ये चाहिए, बिकॉज एटली वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग टू मी. एंड फिर जब एटली चले जाते थे तो शाहरुख मुझे बताते थे, देख उसने ये बोला है ना, तो ही वुड राइट एंड यू नो ही रोट ऑन द स्क्रिप्ट फॉर मी कि say it like this, he wants you to take your line like this. I'm just like मैं focus करूं कि मैं बस खो जाऊं.
Shahrukh Khan, and then
so, yeah, I saw that diligence and that, you know, almost
उनको बेटे के नजर से देखना.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा.
आपने किस नजर से देखा फिर?
मैंने ये देखा कि I was trying very hard कि मैं 60-year-old लगूं, okay? वो बेटे वो मैं नहीं देख सकती
तो
है.
कैसे देखा, कैसे किया यार शाहरुख
पता नहीं.
खान की माँ का किरदार निभाना, उनको बेटे के नजर से
See,
देखना.
I followed YOLO. I was like, it's
हाँ.
one life. And मुझे उनके साथ, of course, you know, the dream is leading lady, you wear a sari, Shahrukh romances you. Of course, that's the dream. Or rather, that was the dream जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे. लेकिन अब मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि I want to not, मुझे लाइफ में कुछ छोड़ना नहीं है क्योंकि कुछ चाहिए, you know. तो आज मैं ये अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड ऑल्सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब जमाना इतना बदल गया है कि इफ आई डू दिस, यू नो, वी आर सिक्योर इनफ एज एन इंडस्ट्री नाउ और एज अ ऑडियंस कि मुझे एक्सेप्ट, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे नाउ इन एनीथिंग एल्स. सो yeah, it was just that feeling of YOLO कि come on, be on a set with Atlee and Shahrukh, you know, that is far more exciting. इतनी छोटी सी जिंदगी है उसमें, you know, जितनी सारी मेमोरीज बना सकते हो बना लो.
True. Though industry is not stereotypical as it was earlier, but हमने बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में ये देखा है कि जनरली जो माँ के किरदार निभाते हैं वो एक्टर्स से कम उम्र के ही होते हैं.
अच्छा.
Mostly.
I don't know. Really?
Yeah.
I mean, could be. मैं खुद बहुत हैरान थी. मैंने पूछा एटली से कि आप क्यों कर रहे हैं ऐसा. तो पर ठीक है, you know, they had the character had a younger version also. So that for me was, अब मैं सुन रही हूँ एटली सिंह जवान 2 बनाएंगे, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि I wish they go into a prequel and then my characters there as a young Kaveri.
Wow.
Of course.
कब आ
मैं
रही है
अपनी
पर?
जवान नहीं, I don't know. I
है?
also saw it somewhere he said. I think Kapil Sharma के शो पे उन्होंने कुछ उसके बारे में बात की थी, तो I was thinking.
Excited. Okay, so the next segment is the hashtag show. मैं कुछ नाम mention करूँगी, आपको hashtags देने हैं.
Wow.
ठीक है?
Okay,
so
okay,
the first name is Vikrant Messi.
Ooh. Vikrant Messi, hashtag underdog.
So the next name is Rashi Khanna.
Oof. Rashi Khanna, I would say hashtag, I mean, मन में आता है solid girl, but what do I say? Hashtag soulful.
Okay. Ekta Kapoor.
Ekta Kapoor, she is a maverick. Hashtag maverick.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Love.
Salman Khan.
Hashtag bade dil wala.
Nayanthara.
Nayanthara. Oh, Nayanthara. Lady superstar.
You saw a docu?
I did. And you know, जब मैं shoot भी कर रही थी उनके साथ, तब भी you know, whatever I've experienced of her as a person सामने, तो she's very calm and composed, very clear, very, you know, you get that energy from her. So that she's got her own place.
Wow.
Yeah. So superstar.
Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone. Hashtag ethereal. Yeah.
Vijay Sethupathi.
Oof. Vijay Sethupathi. I think he could be hashtag encyclopedia in acting. True.
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif. Hashtag super intelligent.
Imran Hashmi.
Hashtag cool and composed.
Fardeen Khan.
Fardeen Khan. I've met him personally. He's a friend of a friend, पर मैं जानती नहीं हूँ. But I don't know. I would say hashtag friend of a friend.
Ritesh Deshmukh.
Ritesh Deshmukh. Hashtag Janelia's husband. Because they are so cute together.
So true.
नंदी, आप रितेश का नाम मतलब आप लेते हैं तो दिमाग में जनेलिया आती है.
बिल्कुल. Milind Soman.
Milind Soman is hashtag push up karo.
Barkha Singh.
Barkha Singh. Hashtag, I don't know, adorable.
Okay, the last one is Fawad Khan.
Hashtag coming up next.
Yeah, tell us about it.
That's it.
Abir Gulal.
Hashtag coming up next. मैं नहीं बात कर सकती ज़्यादा. If I have to talk, then I have to ask few people if I can
permission.
talk. Yeah, I can't talk about. Abir Gulal is the name of the film, and I'm a part of it.
Wow.
और मैं बहुत excited हूँ, and that's it.
Yeah, बात है. Okay, so the next segment is what the comments. I'm going to read out few comments and you have to react to it.
Ooh, okay. Let's go.
एक ही तो दिल है, इसे रोज रोज चुराना जरूरी है क्या?
How cute. हाँ जरूरी है, आपके दिल में जगह बनानी है, इसीलिए जरूरी है.
Okay. You give me vibes of Rani Mukherjee.
आई लव इट. यू नो, लोगों ने मुझे इतने सारे लोगों से कंपेयर किया है, बट ये मैंने भी बहुत बार पढ़ा है, रानी मुखर्जी, एंड आई लव इट बिकॉज शी इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट. लाइक इन द लास्ट लेग ऑफ
हाँ.
सुपरस्टार्स, आई लव रानी मुखर्जी. मैं उनको मिली थी, आई
Okay.
रिमेंबर टाइगर 3 पे, तो मैंने उनको बोला भी था, आई वेंट अप टू हर
हाँ.
एंड यू नो आई वाज लाइक, प्लीज डू द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स यू यूज्ड टू डू, लाइक रोमांस, एंड आई वांट टू सी यू लाइक दैट.
बाकी कौन से एक्टर्स से कंपैरिजन होता है?
हाँ, सॉरी.
बाकी कौन से एक्टर्स के साथ लोग कंपेयर करते हैं?
वो मोस्टली नॉन इंडियंस होते हैं. Nobody is an Indian. They always compare me to Keira Knightley, Kirsten Stewart,
Oh.
anybody actually. Maybe it's my face cut, maybe it's the
Wow.
jawline, maybe it's the
Hmm.
features शायद.
Okay, so the next one is आपके पैरों को धो धो कर वो पानी पीऊंगा गॉडेस रिद्धि.
Oh, thank God today I cleansed my feet. I scrubbed them. नहीं, please आप ऐसा कुछ मत करिए. But that's very sweet. अगर ये टैरेंटिनो का कमेंट था तो then yes, please do it on camera. Like I want to be in a film that you make.
Oh my God. Okay, साबरमती मूवी में वन साइडेड स्टोरी बताई है.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. मतलब आई वुड लाइक टू, मैं इनसे
बहुत
सवाल
लोगों ने
पूछना चाहूंगी कि क्या
प्रोपेगेंडा
आपने
फिल्म
फिल्म
लिखा है.
देखी है, फिर उस पर बात करते हैं. चलो.
ठीक है. जवान फिल्म में एसआरके की माँ का रोल निभाकर कितना जवान फील हुआ था?
आई थिंक मुझे ये फील हुआ था कि एज इज रियली जस्ट अ नंबर. क्योंकि अगर मतलब ये क्या वॉर्प्ड एज ब्रैकेट्स चल रहे हैं, यू नो, सो या आई फेल्ट दैट मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स कि एज कुछ होता ही नहीं है. बट आई वुड से जवान फिल्म में काम करके डेफिनेटली यू नो जवान फील होता है, बिकॉज इट इज आई लाइक अब हो गए, मतलब पिछले साल आई थी फिल्म, और मुझे बहुत 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 प्राइड है, बहुत. आई एम वेरी वेरी, आई फील वेरी ग्रेटफुल, थैंक्स टू गॉड एंड एटली एक्चुअली कि आई गॉट टू वर्क विद देम. यू नो, कलीस भी जो अभी बेबी जॉन के डायरेक्टर हैं, वो भी थे जवान पे. तो इट्स सच अ ग्रेट, यू नो, वो पूरी टीम बहुत बहुत अच्छी है. आप यू नो शायद बेबी जॉन भी अगर आएगी तो इफ यू सी देम इन इंटरव्यूज, देर अ टीम, देर अ फैमिली, यू नो, दे ऑल सपोर्ट ईच अदर. एंड या तो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी कि मेरा उनसे एसोसिएशन हुआ है. आई फील वेरी हैप्पी दैट दे नो मी. I feel very happy that you know, I can literally, if I want, I can pick up the call and talk to Atlee and you know take advice or anything. His wife Priya, मेरे को genuinely as a person, not you know as an actor या as a profession, but as a person, I feel very happy that I know them because they are wonderful bunch of humans.
Lovely, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, the last comment is, will there be second part of The Married Women? Because आप हमें बहुत अच्छी लगी थी.
Thank you. Yes, a lot of people want to. A lot of people have been asking, and you know they want it. But Married Woman was based on a book, and of course story को आप ले जा सकते हैं जहाँ भी ले जाना चाहते हैं. पूरी टीम हम सब चाहते हैं कि there should be a part 2, but it's totally a maker's decision. You know, जो राइटर हैं और क्रिएटर हैं एकता, बिकॉज मंजू कपूर की नॉवल इतनी ही थी. So of course now whatever अगर बनेगी फिर से या there'll be a part 2, there has to be fully thought of, you know, it has to be an absolutely original idea what the story is going to be. So I mean I don't want to rush. इतनी ब्यूटीफुल थी कहानी, और सीजन 1 इतना ब्यूटीफुल था कि लगता है कि अगर बनना होगा तो बनना चाहिए, फोर्स नहीं करना चाहिए.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much. So time for rapid fire round.
Okay.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Work in progress.
One thing you can't live without.
One thing.
Yeah.
One thing. बताती हूँ, अभी बताती हूँ, रुको.
Okay.
One thing I can't live without.
Rapid है.
Oh shit! One thing I can't live without. My breath.
Okay. Favorite place in Mumbai?
My house.
What's your hobby?
Or next to the sea.
Oh, next to the sea. What's your hobby?
What's my hobby? My hobby is spending time in nature, writing, reading, or watching movies.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Are these hobbies?
Yeah.
Coffee. Black. Please.
Okay.
No sugar.
Your go-to fashion accessory?
My go-to fashion accessories are my rings,
Oh, wow.
These are all mine. In fact, I carry a whole bunch of rings. Or because I'm, मैं बोल रही हूँ because सब बोलते हैं, I've been wearing these rings since I was, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, so दिल्ली में वो silver jewelry का
Yes,
बहुत
बिल्कुल.
trend, and वो हमेशा ही रहता है, you wear silver earrings, silver this, that, that, that. So I've been wearing these rings and collecting them for years. But now because I'm friends with Ekta, तो मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ सब बोलते हैं, oh, you're wearing these rings because you're copying her. And I'm like, don't say that. And वो diamonds पहनती है. हम simple लोग, हम, and the reason I like my rings, guys, is because I basically buy my rings wherever I travel. Yeah, so that's why I enjoy my rings, and I really like and वो मतलब जहाँ मैं travel करती हूँ तो it's like the ring has to speak to me, so I will buy it. So like every ring and the many
Creating
more,
memories.
they remind me especially of a holiday. So अच्छा लगता है ना?
बिल्कुल. Morning person or night owl?
Like, so I'm an all over person.
Oh.
I'm like not a morning. I love sunrise. मेरे घर से sunrise दिखता है. Like 5-6 a.m. I see the sunrise. So there are days I see that. So it's a nice feeling. और कभी-कभी morning में shoot के लिए उठना पड़ता है. तो I always see the sunrise, which is beautiful. But I have noticed that my energies are better when the sun sets. Like I'm, I think, connected to the moon. So I'm like, I become calmer when the sun sets.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Beach person or mountain person?
I am a beach person because मुझे पसंद है beach पे जाना, sea में,
Okay.
like to swim in the ocean. Yeah, so I'll say beach person.
One guilty pleasure.
I eat chocolates in the middle of the night.
Okay.
That is a guilty pleasure, right?
Yeah, of course. Favorite
Horrible.
film?
Favorite film बहुत सारी हैं, but okay, if I have to think of, my go-to film, then there is the quintessential DDLJ, Andaz Apna Apna. Or recent years, I love The Social Network and I love Band Baja Barat.
Oh, wow. Your nickname?
I don't have a nickname, but like
Goddess Ridhi. We know one.
Love it.
Yeah, but you were saying?
No, I don't have a nickname, but
what do your friends call you then?
My friends, Rids. I think Rids is the most common, but मेरा नाम ही इतना छोटा है, रिद्धि, that उसको Rids ही होता है. Or sometimes parents would say Riddu. As kids I've heard that a lot. Yeah, but वो pet name नहीं है. Like it's not like that's how they address me.
New generation actor you look up to?
Look up to?
Yeah.
Alia Bhatt. I mean, she's definitely, because she's really talented. I mean, I remember jab Alia, when she started doing the kind of work that she started doing, I actually was like, that's, now the industry will have space for actors like me. Because, she also has that cute, endearing face where she could look ordinary, she could look a character, or she could look beautiful. So and she is such a remarkably talented, gifted actor. So yeah, I really admire her for उनको जो opportunities मिली and how she's turned them around.
Okay, celebrity crush?
Celeb बहुत सारे रहे हैं. Right now, presently?
Yeah.
No, there's no celebrity crush presently. Sorry. If I have to still give you a name for the heck of it.
Fawad Khan.
Yeah, I mean, but used to be. अब तो मैं मिल ली ना, now I can't be crushing on him. I met his wife also. So now I know them personally. But celebrity crush. I think now I'm crushing more on women who are, with it and strong and independent and make something of themselves. So I think Priyanka Chopra. Yeah.
Okay, what's your go-to food?
My go-to food, like healthy way या फिर
anything.
Okay, my go-to food, see घर का खाना is the best, as now like now I enjoy घर का खाना. Like I want मेरा एक meal घर का खाना होना चाहिए. Otherwise my go-to food every morning, guys, is a smoothie I make, which is a standard. चाहे मैं shoot कर रही हूँ, मैं it's very easy also. You just need a blender and you need your ingredients. You can carry them with you. Fresh fruits, nuts, yes, जहाँ आप जाओगे वहाँ मिल सकता है. So I love it. That is my go-to. It's my first meal of the day, जो आज मैंने नहीं खाया because I had to come here.
Oh, smoothie मंगा दे आपके लिए मैम.
नहीं, I've called for my second go-to, which is the sandwich.
Okay, the last one is one life gyan you have received or you would like to give?
Oh my God, life ज्ञान.
फिल्मी ज्ञान के दर्शकों को लाइफ ज्ञान दो.
मैं बताती हूँ.
Hmm.
Okay. Can I go online and see something?
Yeah.
I
you-
can.
Or maybe
No,
one
it's
line.
rapid, na?
Yeah.
I think that same thing which we've heard so many times, that like, do to others how you would want to be done to you. I
Wow.
think that's like the most.
Kamal.
Yeah.
Okay, and finally the last
Yes.
segment का नाम ही the last है. Okay.
Acha, the last.
Okay. The last song you heard on loop.
It is.
You can sing.
ले जाए मुझे कहाँ जहाँ नहीं. I'm actually thinking of something else. मैं बताती हूँ. Okay, guys, wait. Okay, hold on. I want to give good answers.
Okay.
The last song that is this. Can I play it?
Copyright.
So it's the song by
Sunidhi,
Sunidhi
of
Chauhan.
course.
मैं गा नहीं सकती. She sung it so beautifully.
Yeah, interviewed her
Yeah,
last week.
yeah,
for
yeah.
this.
So I'm like listening to that song on loop.
Okay. The last text you sent.
And now I'll have to see, na?
Possibly it must be Ria only.
Yeah, that's true. It is Ria. Yes.
See, the last lie you told.
The last lie I
Yeah.
told. I think last night when I told myself that I'll wake up very early and I'll do my meditation and everything at 6:30 in the morning.
Oh my god. The
Huge
last
lie.
time you cried.
It's been a while. I think the last time I cried was probably in New Delhi when the Prime Minister was watching our film and national anthem चल रहा था movie से पहले और पता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ. I think वो moment इतना overwhelming था कि I just had tears rolling down.
Oh.
So I remember that.
Okay. The last person you speed dialed.
My mom.
Okay. Lovely. The last movie you watched.
The last movie I watched. Sabarmati. The Sabarmati Report. It's still playing in theaters. Go watch it.
Wow. The last time you kissed.
The last time I kissed. Listen. I actually today when मैं अपने घर से निकल रही थी तो मेरी एक दोस्त है. They're actors. Dheeraj Dhupar and his wife Vinny. So Vinny was coming back with her son. तो मैंने अभी उसके बेटे को किस किया.
Oh, cute.
और कल भी किया था. वो मुझे लिफ्ट में मिला था and I gave him a kiss and I told him, go tell your mama that this lipstick mark is from Ridhi Masi.
Oh. The last time you fell in love.
The last time I fell in love, I think was I fall in love every time I meet my nephew. मुझे कुछ हो ही जाता है. Like I just lose my sensibilities. Or every time I meet an animal. I do. I genuinely do. Like मैं अभी बहुत घूम रही थी और मैं वापस आई हूँ दिल्ली से. तो हमारी बिल्डिंग में there's a cat, okay? जिसने हम सबको अडॉप्ट कर लिया मेरे ख्याल से. मुझे नहीं लगता हमने उसे अडॉप्ट किया. उसने हम सबको अडॉप्ट कर लिया. तो मैं बैठी थी to pet her and she came and sat on my lap.
Cute.
And she does that every day. So you were scared?
I love cats.
You love cats.
I have I think almost 8 to 9 cats and more kittens. Not here, but at my
Back
Goa
home?
house. Yeah, back home. Also dogs I have. I'm fond of
lovely.
animals.
So
Okay, the last person you blocked on Instagram.
I keep blocking. Like if you give me, I block. I must have blocked some 50,000 people. मतलब मुझे अपने पेज पे कुछ भी बदतमीजी पसंद नहीं है. So मैं spam, not interested, block ये चलता रहता मेरा.
क्या बात है.
Yeah.
The last time you felt helpless.
The last time I felt helpless, yaar, this is such a. I think was when I was crying in the parliament. When I was crying and I was like, I don't know, I can't help it. अपने आप आंसू आ रहे, because it's such a happy moment and suddenly Rashi's like, tissue, you're crying. And I was like, I don't know, like you don't want to call for attention, yeah. So I was pretty helpless, guys. अपने आप आंसू निकल रहे थे.
The last time you got your heart broken.
The last time I got my heart broken was when I don't think मेरा heart इतनी आसानी से break होता है. Because it's already broken.
That's sad.
It's not sad.
No.
I'm a phoenix.
You live with those broken pieces.
Yes, I do. I keep rearranging them. Japan में जैसे बोलते हैं ना that anything broken you fill it with gold.
Gold, yeah.
I'm golden,
बात है।
baby. Now I've got a golden heart.
क्या बात है, but thank you so much,
You're welcome.
रिद्धि। I just hope कि आपका जो broken heart है वो वापस से
No, it's
ऐसे हो
not.
जाए।
It's golden.
It's golden.
Yeah,
आपका
golden
golden
heart.
heart जो है वो red heart भी बन जाए very
Thank you.
soon.
Thank you.
May you blessed with a lot of success, happiness and love in your life.
Thank you. You
Thank
too.
you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And जो भी आ रहा है आने वाले दिनों में प्रोजेक्ट जिसके बारे में आप ज्यादा कुछ रिवील नहीं कर पाए, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कोई प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके बारे में आप बात कर सकते
I mean, मैं एक्चुअली नहीं कर सकती. There is
Okay.
a web show, there is a film. तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ. I want to talk about it, and मैं चाहती हूँ कि जल्दी से आप लोगों से मिलूं और उसके बारे में बात करूं.
बिल्कुल.
But when it's due.
Very soon. We're
Yes.
excited to meet you again.
Yes.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.